What's happening, good people? I'll go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a chill pop song like Surfaces. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna play you the song. So yeah, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I did, I played some chords. They sound like this. So basically what I used a strummer. So these are the settings that I used. Then just to give it that live, like you played it like live without even punching in the notes from your using your mouse. So that's what I did to make it feel like it's alive. I played it with a MIDI keyboard. So then I added a follow-up bass. So after that, I took the same chords that I played them in staccato. So like I'm playing short notes now. Then got some vintage organs from Contact. Then I played some drums. I used decap's drums. I think they're from volume 8. The funk kick. The 808 is from volume 7. On snare. So they sound like this all together. By the way, the key of the beat is in B minor. So yeah, in case you're wondering. All right. The next thing I did was I got this piano solo from Arcade. And another one. Then that's the whole beat. Then I just added a soft clipper on my master because I didn't really do like much on the mixing. I just did like minimal processing on the beat. So I'll do a proper mix down when I add some vocals to this, because I'm thinking of recording a song with this. So yeah. Before I go any further, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. like and share my YouTube page. Follow me on Instagram. Phoenix Flames signing out.